All right. It's been a while since I did this. Well, not really. I always record a video. I'm just not uploading on this channel. And I'm speaking about that. Shameless plug, by the way. You guys can always find me on Eli Urban Lifestyle, my new page. I know I named this just Eli. But when I say a while since I did this, I mean, talked about gold and silver. All right. But yeah, I'm going to have the link to my new channel down in the description below if you guys want to still interact with me there. But I want to talk about gold and silver right now. To be honest with you, I don't even know what the prices are. I haven't been keeping track whatsoever. I haven't been buying. Sort of just forgot it. I just hold all the silver I do currently have. All right. To be honest with you, I'm thinking about gold and silver right now. Reason being is because with everything going on, we've seen inflation going extremely high. We've seen a lot of stuff going up. The cost of living going up, the cost of food going up, the cost of energy is going up. Everything. I went to the Dollar Tree, and that's one place I like to buy to, skip on some money, save on some money. And it was actually $125. And it's funny too, because I wanted to invest in not Dollar General, I forgot it's Family Dollar that owns the Dollar Tree as well. I was trying to invest in them, and then as I was looking at their business model, I was like, they can't keep everything at $1 forever. Like, they're going to be losing money at some point if inflation keeps going up. And that's one of the reasons I didn't invest in them. And then looking at it right now and seeing the prices go up, I was right. But anyways, let's talk about gold and silver. Of course, like I said before, inflation is going up. Let me actually pull up to see what the prices are. Last time I actually, the reason I kind of just forgot about gold and silver is because around the time when I stopped buying, the premiums was just crazy high. Like, if it was $25, you'll buy a silver coin for like $35. So I'm here to check to see if the premiums are down and if it's a good time for me to buy. And if I do buy, for me to go buying where I was buying heavily before, it would have to be down at close to below 20s, right? If it's below 20, then I'll definitely be buying heavily. But right now I'm looking at maybe at least 1 ounce of silver a week and maybe 1 ounce of gold a year. All right, but let's take a look at it right now. So gold prices right now is at 1800. Fairly the same. Last time I checked for the silver prices, it was at 25, 26 to let you know how so detuned I am from the gold and silver markets. Silver prices right now are $22.49. So it did take a dip down. Platinum is about $950. And palladium, last time I checked palladium was over 2,000. Now it's about 1,800, real close to gold. So I'm actually on the JM Bullion website. Matter of fact, what I want to do is see how much it'll cost for American Silver Eagle. Let's see here. All right, American Silver Eagle. Okay. So for the new one, if I were to buy the new design, it'll be $32.38, which is about $10 over premium. A little bit too high. I know it's just $10. Some people may see that, but if you're talking about buying a group, so if I'm buying 10 coins, right? Let's say I were to buy 10 American Silver Eagle, it would cost me about $100 just off premium. That's just money I'm just putting to the sidelines, money I'm just giving away. All right. So I'm looking to see if there's any other American Silver Eagle that I can a 2015 American Silver Eagle is going for 34, so about $12 over per spot. So the premiums are still high as far as American Silver. Let me check a Buffalo. Let me just check a regular round. Let's see. Buffalo. And remember, that was the as low price, which means I would have to buy a huge quantity just to get it down to that price. So if I'm buying one, it's even higher as far as the premium. Let's see. 1 ounce Buffalo. I got that. So the as low price for that one is about, with e-check, it's about $26. So that's about what, $5 over spot, $5 to $6 over spot. Now remember, that's the as low price. Well, it actually says here as low price is $3.29 per over spot, and that's if I were to get a big price. But just from 1 to 19, if I were to buy any quantity from 1 to 19, the as low price, if I'm of course buying with e-check as well, that would be $26.27. Now, of course, I wouldn't be buying here because, of course, they're going to charge shipping as well. And I'm not trying to buy bulk prices. I'm not trying to buy over 20 ounces right now. Just 1 ounce a week. So what I would have to do is actually brush up my communication skills and go back to the coin shops and see what they can do. Like, I remember the coin shop I was going to, they just went ridiculously high with the premiums and things like that, and it really left a sour taste in my mouth. The coin shop went into a whole new ownership, and it was just going, the prices were just going like way too high. Now, I did sell a huge chunk of my silver around, like, I'll say around the 28s to 30s. I did sell a huge chunk. I do have some left. And most of the silver that I did buy around 15 bucks. So I pretty much doubled up on that. Okay. So right now, with everything going on right now, silver prices has calmed down. The premium seems that it calms down on regular rounds versus coins. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking about going back into this once a week, at least getting me a good 1 ounce of silver, taking a look to see if there's anything else right there. With inflation, like, it's just something that worries me. I have a lot of money in the market, so some people may not like that. I try to keep a positive outlook, especially with the new variant that's going around, and there's so much stuff. Like, this new variant could shortstop supply demands yet again, and we've seen that Delta slow down a whole bunch now. This new variant, if it does it again, I don't think it's like taking another hit while we're down. All right, even analysts are predicting we can be in a recession next year, sometimes next year. So, not knowing what's gonna happen, all I know for sure is inflation is gonna happen. Whether it's hyperinflation, I'm not saying hyperinflation. I don't want to set fears up there, but I do know inflation is happening, and it's happening at a faster rate. We're trying to get control over it. I'm not sure if they can. I'm not saying they can't. I'm just saying I'm not sure. Nothing's ever sure. So I do want to be able to protect some money that I do have. I am into crypto. I am into the markets. I'm diversifying my money. I do have gold and silver, so I have money in different places and different aspects, and that's just how I choose to diversify my income. I know there's some people that's just strictly on gold and strictly on silver. I just like to put money other places. Hey, I just don't know what's gonna happen in the future. All right, I can never be too sure. The only thing I can do is make sure I'm diversified. So, yep, that's my plan. I'm going back to buying gold and silver. I think it's almost been a year since I bought silver. Yes, it's been a year, or maybe a little bit less than a year, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, I haven't even been looking at the prices. Haven't been doing none of that. Last time I was checking, it was on the downtrend, and I sold all the silver that I did want at a high price. Some people say, hey, probably could go low, higher. It didn't matter to me. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys, if you guys want to keep in touch with me, make sure you guys follow my brand new channel. Still Urban Lifestyle, but it's Eli Urban Lifestyle. Link's going to be down in the description below. I don't post nothing about gold and silver. It's just pretty much personal finance and mindset. If you guys want to be a part of it there, make sure you guys check down the description below. And make sure you guys hit the thumbs up on this channel as well. I know I don't upload as much, but of course I'm going to do whatever I can sometimes to upload if I have anything to talk about. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.